Now we are heading towards our dinner. I am Mukarrama, very hungry. What's that? Stomach! Ew!
Bashir, what would you like to order?
Chicken and fish. Fish looks yummy and chicken.
Chicken tikka. Again, chicken tikka. Kebabs. And another chicken tikka. And another chicken tikka. Oh, fish tikka, finally. I was sick of seeing so many chicken tikkas.
Such an elegant way of eating. Let's post it on Instagram. Guys, we are going to sleep. It has been such a long day from the adventures. Whoa. We visited a lot of places in such a short time. Now let's sleep, then be prepared for next day's adventure. Now bye. Bashir, make it fast. We have to leave for the early morning bird market. Guys, it's 6:30 a.m. and we left our hotel. Come on!
Yay, come!
Look, the bird has gray feathers and a red tail. And here's the canary. There.
These are lovebirds, but I don't like them being in cage. They should be free. Ah,
Black,
cuties.
white, and gray birds. All in one cage.
But
Oh,
that's
man.
not
Oh, that's a turtle.
Hey, what bird is that? Is too many. Ah, baby parrot! Ah,
And white
cute.
birds. Look, they're dancing. Udar chale, idhar chale, udar chale, idhar chale.
Wait. And white and black pigeons. White and black rabbits. I like white more.
And these are hamsters, Mubashir.
Yeah.
These are white birds. Those are cats. And their favorite phrase kept
Eagle. Our next destination is
Bahrain Bridge. Guys, we're near the toll to take our pass.
This is our awesome uncle. He has helped us to visit many places in Dammam, Al-Khobar and Rastanura. These are man-made islands I've seen with friends.
It looks so real. See this hump? This is Bahrain Bridge. And we're about to climb it.
wondering why that white object in the middle of the ocean? Those are the pillars! Awesome and huge! We are near the departure gate of Bahrain. Friends, can you see the umbrella-shaped tower? There are two identical towers. One tower is in Kingdom of Bahrain and the other one is in Saudi Arabia. Let's get down from the car and get close to the ocean. Oh, finally there. Friends, look, the wind is blowing very hardly. And pushing us away. Whoa, whoa. We are unable to stay still, especially west here. It started! Too breezy! Rajan, can you feel the breeze falling on your face? Mukarram, don't go further. It's very breezy. No, Bashir, nothing will happen. Yeah. No, come back. Friends, now let's head to the Half Moon Beach. Yay! Hey guys, we're heading towards Half Moon Beach. This model is submerged into the whole ocean. Against the harsh wind. Isn't that spectacular? The police is patrolling in the ocean with seaboats. This scene is very mesmerizing to see. We are almost near to Half Moon Beach, and we're about to reach there. Come and see this cluster of vehicles. Yeah, they climb. And you know what, friends? They're even climbing the sandhills with their own cars. Mukarram, that's called desert races. What the hell? Jumping in the water! Yeah! Okay, I'll not go beyond. boating.